step into the Ram 2020 3500 chassis cab tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include tires, LT235/80R17 EBSW all-season, 3.73 axle ratio, Parkson's rear park assist system, front fog lamps, transfer case skid plate shield, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, urea, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller smart diesel exhaust brake supplemental heater gross vehicle weight, 12,000 lbs V20 biodiesel capability, quick order package to your tradesman included, engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed auto Aisin AS69 RCHD rear dome lamp urethane shift control black key fob halogen quad headlamps door